Hello guys, hello YouTubers. Long time passed without a video review, preview, external test or whatever, and now I have the rare opportunity to show you Classic Army Scar Age and the Scar Light together. And this time I only go through the external details. Both of these replicas are based on some M series of replicas, and this means the Scar Light is internally very similar to an M4. It has a normal version 2 gearbox, uses stomach magazines. Here we have Mary's mid-cap with the Magpul, and that's it. The Scar Age version is different, uses unique magazines. These magazines are unique to the Scar Age and the SR25, and these are the 7.62 rounds. And unlike the VFC and the RAs, these use unique magazines and not a modified M14 magazine. Okay, the main difference between these two guns is the longer receiver on the Age version, on the heavy version, and of course the mag well. All the externals are very similar or the same, like the selector switch. The selector switch is ambidextrous, the magazine release is ambidextrous too. Yeah, it has a flip up back sight, flip up front sight, folding stock which is adjustable for length. It has 3 positions. I'm not going to show you all. It has a adjustable check piece, and of course the stock is folding to the side and locks to the side when folded. It has rail, a very long rail on the top. You can mount optics, even 2 optics, like a red dot or in the magnifier or an ACOG. However, the iron sights are very good and very easy to use. Yeah, it has the rail on the top and 2 rails on the side for mounting lasers and flashlights, and the rail underneath the barrel to mount foregripes, grenade launchers and others. The main reason behind I like better the Scar than the M series is the hop-up. The Scar has a disc type hop-up, which is very similar to the Magpul Ultimate hop-up chamber, but I have to say the Scar hop-up chamber is an earlier design, so I think the Magpul guys copied the Scar hop-up chamber and modified it to fit an M4s, all M4s. The charging handle can be moved from the left to the side, left to the right side, and this makes almost fully ambidextrous gun. The only thing that is not ambi on this gun is the bolt catch on the left side. Okay, let's go through the internals again. The barrel, the birdcage flash hider, front sight, rails, ejection port, the magazine, mag release, trigger, pistol grip, selector switch, and the stock. Okay, materials: the butt stock Back piece is rubber. All the backstock assembly is fiber reinforced polyamide as the pistol grip and the lower receiver. The upper receiver is CNC machined aluminium. The upper rail too, it is made from one piece of aluminium, so it's great. The side rails are die cast, but still looks great. Okay, there is a imitation gas valve, does nothing, but great. Okay, I think that's it for these cars. Yeah, the markings. These are the only markings on this car. The L version is an earlier model and says Classic Army X16 Mod 0 caliber and the serial number. The heavy version says Herstal Belgium, so I think Classic Army didn't buy the full trademarks, usage of trademarks. The X17 Mod 0 Cal 7.62 millimeters and the serial number. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.